thank you very much. It's a great pleasure to join you today, and I'll only say a brief few words, so I know we're running a little bit late. Yes, so thank you very much for the invitation. It's great to mark World Maritime Day 2023, and this year's theme, the Marpole at 50, Our Commitment Goes On, is particularly apt given the unprecedented challenges and opportunities facing the maritime world today. The maritime industry has been at the heart of global trade and commerce for centuries now. It connects nations, cultures, and economies, enabling the exchange of goods, promoting cultural exchanges, and driving economic growth. The global shipping fleet is responsible for 90% of global merchandise traffic. Economic activity in the ocean is expanding very rapidly, and strong growth is expected in the maritime industry in the coming decades, with maritime activity expected to triple by 2050. However, we must acknowledge the profound challenges that confront us as we navigate these vast and unpredictable waters, and I excuse the pun there. Climate change poses an unprecedented threat to our oceans and the maritime industry itself. The global shipping industry is responsible for 2.9% of CO2 emissions and 15% and 13% respectively of nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxide emissions. These emissions, although fairly small, are contributing to rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and ocean acidification that demand our immediate attention and collective action in line with the Sustainable Development Goals and the Commonwealth Blue Charter. Climate change is and will continue to affect the maritime industry. It could cost the shipping industry an additional $25 billion by 2100. By adapting green technological advances, we can play a crucial role in addressing ocean-related environmental challenges and further development of ocean-based activities. The maritime industry is teeming with sustainable economic opportunities. Digitalization, automation, and artificial intelligence are transforming the way we navigate, manage ports, and ship and track cargo. These technologies can improve efficiency, reduce emissions, and enhance safety. Embracing these opportunities will not only make the industry more sustainable, but also more competitive in the global marketplace. Furthermore, the sustainable blue economy presents a vast frontier for economic growth. Renewable energy, aquaculture, and biotechnology are just a few sectors with tremendous potential to create jobs and drive economic development while ensuring the protection of our oceans. As we celebrate World Maritime Day 2023, let us remember that our oceans connect us all, and it is our common responsibility to safeguard these precious resources for future generations. We must work together across borders and industries to ensure that our maritime sector thrives in harmony with our environment. Thank you very much.